No, men. Josh, go take one of him. Eardrops me. Okay, eardrops me. Please go help take for your Peter.
Maybe he's standing at the window.
Did you send it to everyone?
Josh, I'm just sneezing.
No, he's over. Send me a proper one. I don't want that.
Josh, what happened to your sneeze? What happened? Is your things gone now? The teacher's here.
No. I sneezed like 2 minutes.
I have.
That's good.